शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. When we go to the deeper level of meditation, we experience that silence, Satchidananda state, Turiya Avastha, Turiyatita. In that, all solution will be there, all healing will be there, all power will be there. What you do the mantra japa for many, many years, that we cannot get it, that you can experience such a power, such a bliss, such a joy, such a silence, such a oneness with that state of consciousness. Okay? That's very powerful. So our meditation should lead you to the silence. When you complete your Sri Vidya meditation, how should be your experience? Like this: relaxation, silence, oneness, balance, energized, connected to entire universe. And feel inspired that you can create, you can solve the problem, you can manage your life issues. All these things will come from inside out. No outside person is coming and telling you, motivating you, inspiring you, but your own soul inspires you. More I connect with every day, more I get a confidence, more I get motivated. Even you are going through very bad situation, maybe in a relationship problem, your partner is treating very badly, or you are going through very difficult situation, or your business is very down, things are going very bad, you are not getting money back and all, where you are depressed with all the outside situation. But when I meditate, what happens? Again I connect to the source of wellness, source of inspiration, source of solution, source of power that can say that there is a possibility to overcome your problem. Many people make a mistake that when they become depressed, they don't meditate. And they go to the deeper depression. If little bit effort they take, just to start singing or chanting the mantra, listening the mantra, or a bhajan or something, and little bit start chanting the mantra, praying to Divine Mother, Mother please help me so that I can meditate, connect with you. Again I can lift myself so that I can face problems that I am going through. I can win the world. I can make my life. You see that? Many of us have to help ourselves. The time will come. Every person will reach some situation where it will tell him, you yourself has to take care. You yourself has to manage your life. That lesson will come. Self-love, self-acceptance, self-care, self-awareness that who you are a divine. You have to have a confidence, accept, care, solve your problem. So these things are there on the path. So more we meditate, more we connect with that source of consciousness, that is a power, that is a divine, that is a peace, that is a bliss, that is a joy, that is an inspiration, that gives all the health, then it is very, very good. Then you are a confident person. You overcome, or you know how to handle the emotions. Many times we feel that. We feel laziness. No, I don't get meditate now. Tomorrow I will meditate. Today I will take rest. And do you think tomorrow again? Tomorrow again. So the day I say, no matter what happens, I should get up and sit and meditate. What happens? In the beginning you feel very bad, but after 1, 2, 3 days, what happens? You know how to overcome laziness. You'll be surprised. You got a fever and you feel, I should not meditate, I'm not feeling well. You came from the office, you feel, I'm tired, I don't think I will meditate. You see that? But when I say that, I should meditate, because meditation is the pillar of my life. Inner word creates the outside word. Even to overcome my fever, I need to meditate. Even to overcome my tiredness, I need to meditate. Even I am facing so much difficult situation in the job, I should meditate, not to worry. So when you make meditation such as important pillar in your life, you will be surprised. You start overcoming lower emotions. When the lower emotion, lower tendencies are overcome, then you only are a master. If you are like another person, lazy and sleep, you are not a master. If you again, you are just tired and listening to your body and mind, you are not a master of the body and mind. You see that? These are all a path of the way where we need to help ourselves, bring the discipline. Then what happens? I can be successful. My self-image is very good. My confidence automatically develop. Every action I take in my life that will influence the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind create an image consciously who you are. Please understand. More you feel I am not good enough, I cannot handle this, I cannot do this. What happens? More you are sending the signal to your subconscious mind that you are a loser. When you wanted to something, there is a fear. You will be surprised from where it is coming. From subconscious mind. You have trained it. I am like this type of person. Is it clear? Meditation should not be avoided. Some people give an excuse. "Oh, Guruji, I am going through very bad. I cannot meditate. No, my responsibility too much, Guruji, I cannot meditate." But the day you realize that inner world creates outside world. Whatever negative thoughts you hold inside, either you experience them as a negative experiences in the outside life, okay, you have a choice, or you can burn them in your meditation and not to experience outside. If you have a karma to get accident, okay, you can burn that karma in your inner world through the meditation, or you can face and experience that in the outside life. If your astrologer tell you, you will not get a child in your life, it is not in your horoscope. You have a choice to believe, accept and cry for that, or you take one step back, accept the divinity, you are a consciousness, you have a power to create, and this horoscope is created by me with ignorance in the past, and then I take a sincere effort in a meditation, I change it. That blueprint, I change it and say that I can create a child. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.